Do you ever feel like no matter what you do, she just loses interest? It's not always what you say. Sometimes it's what you silently reveal, and women notice every time. Let me tell you about Ryan. Good guy. Smart, decent job, but constantly One night, after yet another "you're like a brother to me" talk, he called me frustrated. And when I broke it down for him, everything changed. So, here are 4 subtle signs women see as weakness, and exactly how to fix them from a Stoic's point of view. 1. Seeking constant validation. If you're always fishing for compliments and need her approval to feel confident, you've already lost. A Stoic knows his emotional volatility worth isn't tied to someone else's opinion. Ryan used to text every morning just to see if she'd reply. Now he texts when he has something meaningful to say. Silence. That stopped being scary. It became 2. Emotional volatility. Overreacting, getting jealous, or crumbling when things go wrong. That's emotional weakness in her eyes. Women aren't drawn to a man who panics, they crave presence. Stoicism ***. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Ryan started journaling, breathing before reacting, and became unshakable. Shanadist. 3. Lack of purpose, drifting, lack of purpose, no drive, just floating through your week. She senses it, and when a man lacks direction, it makes her question her own safety with him. Stoics like Marcus Aurelius woke every day with mind. Ryan stopped waiting for clarity and started building it. Sadinga, simple morning goal. His energy shifted. She started leaning in for over-apologizing and shrinking. Ever said sorry for things you didn't even do wrong or avoided? Truth just to keep us. That's not kindness, that's fear disguised. A Stoic speaks the truth with calm confidence, even if it causes discomfort. When Ryan stopped filtering himself to be liked, something strange happened. Women respected him more. By week 3, Ryan had changed, not for women but for himself. He stood straighter, spoke slower, listened to plea, and stopped performing chasing approval. He was rooted. That's what makes a man attractive. Self-command, not arrogance, just calm control. If you recognize these signs in yourself, don't panic. Self-awareness is his first step. Start with this. Next time you feel the urge to provoke something, pause, breathe, ask what would a Stoic do? Then act from strength, not fear. You don't need to pretend to be alpha. You just need to tune your presence. So, are you going to keep playing the nice guy card and losing, or finally become the grounded men women respect and are drawn to naturally? The choice is yours. But remember, true strength is silent, and she's always watching.